My name is Fidel, you guys. I'm a day trader, and today, you guys, I'm about to talk to you about why 90% of traders lose money in the stock market, you guys. And there are very simple tips, you guys, that I'm about to give you guys to separate yourself from the 90% of traders and become the 10% of traders that lock in profit consistently, you guys. But before I get into that, I want to let you guys know that I do have a group called Trade with Fidel. You can find me at the Discord app, on Instagram, or on Facebook. I'll leave the link below, you guys. Make sure you guys join the group. It's a very good group to get support, to get knowledge, and to know how to become a better trader and to become a better independent, consistent trader. Because that's the key, you guys, when you're able to be consistent on your own without needing help from anybody else, you guys. Alright, you guys. So again, it's Trade with Fidel at the Discord app, Instagram, on Facebook. I'll leave the link below. Make sure you guys join. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Give it a like, you guys. And if you guys need some one-on-one training or some advice, again, reach out to me. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys out. So let's get into it, you guys. Number one, you guys, on top of my list, learn not to be an emotional trader. Okay, they're the bears, the pigs, and the bulls, you guys. And the pigs get slaughtered. Don't be a pig. Okay, you guys. Basically, a lot of traders make their decisions based on emotion, and I understand, you guys. We are humans. You know, a lot of the shopping that we do, a lot of the stuff that we eat, you know, the movies, our environment is basically based on emotion, on how it makes us feel. You see what I'm saying, you guys? So when it comes to trading, though, you guys, the emotions are gonna kill you. You see what I'm saying? The emotions are gonna put you on that 90%. Learn to become a logical thinker, you guys. A logical thinker thinks before he acts. You see what I'm saying? Has a plan before he reacts. You see what I'm saying? Be a logical thinker, you guys. A logical thinker will separate you from that 90% to that 10%. Alright, you guys? Don't get your emotions involved. It will cost you money, traders. Alright, traders. Number two, always have a plan, okay? Have a plan, then execute the plan. A lot of traders don't have a plan. They come in blindfolded, and when you don't have a plan, you guys, something is gonna make things hard for you because you don't know what to do. You don't know how to get in and how to come out. You know, it's like having a navigation in the car. You want to have your navigation so you can get to your destination. You see what I'm saying? You want to have a plan so you can get out with profit. You see what I'm saying? So that's number two, you guys. Always have a plan, traders. Okay. Number three, traders, always set a stop loss, and this one is ridiculous. I have seen a lot of amateurs that have asked me for advice, or in my group, that they don't even know what a stop loss is. Okay, you guys, and I think it's very ridiculous because, you know, the stop loss, the sell limit, the buy limit, the market, all those features, you guys, are there so you could use them as leverage, so you can make profit. You guys, learn how to use them, learn how to become a better trader, you guys. Use a stop loss. The stop loss should be about 3% to 5% below your precision buying price. Now, if it drops below 5%, that means you got in at the wrong time. Another thing too, what I tell my traders, my members, is that if you're making profit, raise your stop loss. Trail your stop loss. So if out of nowhere, because, you know, we trade high volatility penny stocks, if it drops, you'll be able to lock in some of that profit. Alright, traders, so always have a stop loss, traders. 3%, 5%, or at least at a percentage that you're comfortable with cutting your losses there. Alright, so that's number three, traders. Number four is don't be caught holding the bag, you guys. I see it a lot of the times. And what I mean by that, as I was growing up, when I was a kid, I'm pretty sure you guys remember as well. But there used to be a game called, Hot Potato, I think it was. And we toss the potato around to other kids, and whoever was the last kid holding the potato loses the game. You see what I'm saying, you guys? Don't be caught holding the bag, you guys. You know, if you have profit, and if you're happy with it, lock it. Don't get greedy, because you keep on holding it. Before you know it, everybody's going to sell at once, and you're going to be the last one holding your shares at a negative zone, losing money. So don't be caught holding the bag, you guys. Alright? Alright, you guys, that's number four. Number five, you guys, is that learn to figure things out, you guys. There are two ways to figure things out. One is by learning from your own mistakes. The other is learning from other mistakes, you guys. But that's going to cost you money, okay? And I know from experience, you know, before I became a good trader consistently, and I feel that I know what I'm doing. But before that, you guys, I lost hundreds of dollars. Hundreds of dollars, you guys. Until I learned, and I kept learning to become better, acknowledge myself, study myself, study what I was doing right, when I was doing wrong, and be able to become a better trader. Okay, so that's one way. Another way, you guys, is learning from somebody else. Find yourself a mentor. Find yourself a trader that's independent and is consistently and knows exactly what he is doing, and maybe be able to trade you. You see what I'm saying? And sometimes that will cost you some money for that mentor to train you on how to trade. But regardless, you guys, it's going to cost you money, losing money on your own, trying to figure things out, or paying somebody else teaching you how to figure it out. And I think teaching somebody else will be a little bit better, a little bit logical thinking. And sometimes I hear, well, I'm not going to pay somebody else to teach me how to trade. Okay, I understand, but look, you're going to keep on losing money. And sometimes, you guys, majority of the time, you will lose more money than how much it will cost you for somebody to train you. You see what I'm saying, you guys? Sometimes traders don't even figure it out. Comes to the time that they just give up. You see what I'm saying? It's like playing the game. You keep playing the game. You keep losing. You keep losing. You get upset. You throw the remote on the floor. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes you don't even play the game no more. Or sometimes you come back to the game and you got to be logical, see what you did wrong, how you got your ass whooped, and what you could do so you could whoop some ass this time. You see what I'm saying? But sometimes you have to be taught how to win the game. Alright? So that is number 5, you guys. Figuring things out. Get yourself a mentor and make it happen, traders. Okay? Number 6, you guys, is never chase a stock, you guys. I've seen a lot of amateurs that they chase stocks, you guys, and chasing a stock will cost you money. Again, that's based on emotion. You know, somebody throws out a shout out that TOPS is moving, it's going fast, and a lot of traders, they see that and they get in when somebody throws a shout out. They get in, and a lot of the times, you guys, they get in at the top. They get in at that peak. You see what I'm saying? With the scanner caught it, everybody else caught it, and it's up there. And a lot of people do get in, and guess what? After that, you guys, it drops. Boom. That sucks. That's a bad feeling. But that happens to emotional traders. Okay? Me, personally, I never chase a stock. If a member of my group throws me a shout out, okay, look at the chart. I see if the chart makes sense. I see if there is potential for me to get in and get out with profit if I decide to get in. Or if it's already at a peak already, I look at if there's going to be a dip or consolidation for me to get in and keep riding it back up. But I never, ever, ever get in just because you threw a shout out saying that this ticker is moving. That's a mistake, you guys, that a lot of amateurs make. Don't do that mistake. Before you get in, do your homework, find out the resistance, the support, the volume, and find out where you're getting in at the chart and how much room you have before you hit the top. Alright, you guys? Alright. So that's number 6, you guys. Never chase the stock. It will cost you money. Okay? And last but not least, you guys, one of the main ones that I believe I saved for last is learning how to read a chart. Learning how to read a chart. I know sometimes the charts has a lot of indicators. I know sometimes they're a little bit overwhelming. But learn to use the indicators that benefit you. Learn to use the indicators that work for your strategy. Learn to read a chart, team. Me, myself, I believe, I don't want to be cocky, but I believe I have mastered how to read a chart. I'm to the point now that I'm training others, okay? I'm training others, you guys, how to become an independent, profitable trader, step by step. But one of my main lessons, one of my longest lessons that I have for my members is learning how to read a chart, okay? Because the chart, you guys, is telling you the story. The chart is telling you what's going on. And if you don't understand that, if it doesn't make no sense to you guys, it's not going to make you money. It's going to cost you money. You're going to end up losing money, you guys. So learn how to read the chart, you guys. Learn how to use the volume. Learn how to use the indicators that benefit you for your strategy, you guys, and make sure you guys lock in that profit. But it's very important, team, to learn how to read a chart. If you guys need help how to read a chart, reach out to me again at the Discord app, on Facebook, on Instagram. I'll leave the links below, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys need some mentoring, let me know. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys out. That's why I make these videos for, to help you guys out. Talking about my videos, as you notice, I haven't been real consistent making videos, maybe once or twice every week. But the thing is, traders, I've been busy training other traders on how to be a successful trader. You see what I'm saying, team? So those just some quick little tips that I made for you guys on how to separate yourself from the 90%. And if you could follow the 7 tips, you guys, you'll become a little bit more successful trader, and you'll separate yourself from the 90% to the 10%. Because you know, the number one thing, you guys, that the 90% do is emotion. And emotions will cost you money. Have a plan, think logically, learn how to read a chart, and be consistent traders. Alright traders, that's it for today. Give me a couple days, I will post another video for you guys. And again, subscribe, join the group, give me a like, and reach out if you need some advice or you need that one-on-one training. That's what I'm here for, to support you guys and to help you guys out and make sure you guys become a successful independent trader. Alright traders, you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.